Go.
Friction fire using 2 boards and a cotton wool door. All we have to do is unreel it, safe as this. Unreel it, get some soot, sprinkle it on the inside, should be enough, then begin to roll tight as you can back up. Rolled it up like that. Follow me. 2 flat surfaces. They could be the same size, whatever you want to work with. I've just got some offcuts. Place the ball down in any direction you want it to, and you want to roll it into a into a more cylindrical shape. Don't want to push too hard. So you get all the fibres nice and tight. Okay, quite stiff now. You can't really bend it. I could bend it if I put a lot of pressure, but for something that soft is quite stiff. Okay, so all we're going to do now is roll backwards and forwards until we begin to see smoke. As you can see there, zoom in, see some smoke coming. We'll let it breathe for a little bit, let it catch. You can see it spreading. It's spreading all up along here as well. That'll turn into a cherry, you can put it into your nest and blow into a flame.